Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a BAT file. First, let's understand what a BAT file is. Essentially, it's a text file containing a series of commands for your computer's command prompt. These files are incredibly useful for automating repetitive tasks, saving you valuable time and effort. Think of it as giving your computer a list of instructions to follow, one after another, without you needing to type each command manually. It's a powerful tool for efficiency. Now let's get started with creating your very first BAT file. The process is quite straightforward. Begin by opening a simple text editor, such as Notepad, which comes pre-installed on Windows. Once open, you'll type your commands directly into the editor, placing each command on a new line. For instance, you can use Echo to display text or Pause to keep the window open. Remember, the computer will execute these commands in the exact order you write them. Effective practice is crucial for mastering these pieces. Dedicate time to accurate note reading and ensuring precise finger placement for clear articulation. Using a metronome, perhaps set to 60 beats per minute initially, will help you maintain a steady tempo. Remember to incorporate dynamics, playing both softly and loudly, to truly convey the song's character and energy. Finally, it's time to run and test your new BAT file. Simply locate your saved BAT file and double-click it. A command prompt window will appear, and you'll see your commands execute in real time. If the window flashes and closes too quickly, you might want to add a pause command at the end of your script to keep it open. If anything doesn't work as expected, you can always right-click the file, select Edit, and make adjustments in Notepad. It's a simple process of trial and error.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.